Welcome to class. In this video, we have to know UGC NET teaching aptitude. In this mainly the important topic Gagne's condition of learning with previous papers questions. Gagne has explained the following 8 conditions of learning. You have to learn in sequence. These are 8 conditions of learning. First one, signal learning. Second one, stimulus response learning, chain learning, verbal association, discrimination learning, concept learning, principle learning, problem solving learning. First one, signal learning. It is based on Pavlovian conditioning. Here, two stimuli are presented in a sequence in which one is called natural stimulus and other one is called unnatural stimulus. So, this type of learning is called signal learning. Keep in your mind, Pavlovian conditioning learning is signal learning. Okay. Second one, stimulus response learning. It is based on Skinnerian operant conditioning. So keep in your mind a stimulus response learning. Good example, Skinnerian operant conditioning. Third one, chain learning. In this learning, stimulus and response learning is the precondition in chain learning. Okay. Next to fourth one, verbal association learning. In this learning, verbal response sequence has been arranged in an order. It works as a clue for comparatively more difficult or higher order of learning. Good example, it is widely applicable in language teaching in schools. Next one, discriminating learning. It requires verbal and non-verbal chain learning as its precondition. Okay. Next, concept learning. It is the next stage of discriminating learning. The teacher gives exclusive emphasis on the concept learning. Seventh one is principle learning. It occurs due to the result of chaining of two or more than two concepts at a time. Last one, problem solving learning. This phase or this type of learning occurs only after the mastery or the phase of principle learning. It is only way to arrive at a problem solving. The students focus their attention on their own originality along with the principle learning. It is only way to arrive at a problem solving learning. Do you understand? These are Gagne's condition of learning. How many types are? 8 types. 8 types of condition of learning. Okay. Next, we will see previous question papers and questions. See, first question. Gagne has given the type of learning as, can you guess? Answer is 8. Yes, D is correct answer. Next one. Which one of the following is not a type of Gagne's learning? First one, signal learning. Second one, stimulus response learning. C, chain learning. D, multidiscriminating learning. Can you guess? Say answer. Which one of the following is not type of Gagne's learning? Yes, D is answer. Thank you.